Good day, everyone. I'm Annabelle. Today, I'll be talking about the continent of Europe. Europe is one of the most diverse and culturally rich continents in the world. It's home to many beautiful countries, languages, and traditions. In my presentation, I'll be sharing some interesting facts about Europe, like its size, populations, and languages. And I will also talk about a few popular celebrations that people enjoy there. Let's explore and learn more about the wonderful continent of Europe together. Europe is in the northern hemisphere and bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and Asia to the east. Even though it is one of the smallest continents, it is full of history, culture, and diversity. Europe, one of the seven continents in the world, second to the smallest continent, and it's covered about 10.18 million square kilometers or 3.93 million square miles and around 6.8% of the Earth's land area. Europe has a population of around 750 million, with countries like Germany, France, and the United Kingdom being the most populated. Europe is very diverse with over 200 languages. The major spoken includes English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, and Russian. Celebration and history. Oktoberfest from Germany. Oktoberfest is one of the most famous traditional festivals in Germany, celebrated every year in the city of Munich. It began in 1810 as a celebration of the royal wedding between Crown Prince Ludwig and Princess Teresa of Bavaria. The people of Munich were invited to join the festivities, and the event was such a successful that it became a yearly tradition. People often wear traditional Bavarian clothing. Men in lederhosen, leather shorts with suspenders, and women in the Derns colorful dresses with aprons. The atmosphere is joyful and filled with this music, laughter, and community spirit, bringing families and visitors together to celebrate German heritage and traditions. How this celebration can be incorporated into an early learning environment. In an early childhood classroom, teacher can celebrate Oktoberfest or European Culture Day by reading children's book about German and European traditions, playing traditional German or European music and dancing, having a pretend play European cafe with play food and dress up, doing art activities like coloring European flags or making paper pretzels, teaching simple German words like hallo for hello or danke for thank you. This helps children learn about diversity and culture, develop social skills through group play, build language and cognitive skills. Mini Oktoberfest celebrations. Children will experience in a fun celebration inspired by Oktoberfest, one of the Germany's famous traditions. Through music, dancing, food, and art, the children will learn more about European culture while enjoying hands-on activities. The goal of this activity is to help children learn about and appreciate European cultures, to develop cultural awareness through play and creative explorations, to promote social and emotional growth by celebrating together. One of the famous European food dish, pretzels. 10 pictures representing Europe. German pretzel, also known as Brezel or Bretzel. It's one of the most iconic and popular snacks in Germany, often associated with Bavarian cuisine. This is not only popular in Germany but have also gained international recognition and can be found in various countries around the world. Big Ben in United Kingdom. Originally named the Clock Tower, it was renamed the Elizabeth Tower in 2012 to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II, and it's also known as a massive hour bell which weighs 13.7 tons. Traditional European dress is the clothing worn long ago by people in different parts of Europe to show their culture, region, and history. Grand Canal Venice, Italy, is the largest canal in Venice, Italy. It stretches approximately 3.8 kilometers or 2.4 miles and width ranging from 30 to 90 meters or 100 to 300 feet with a depth of 5 meters or 16 feet. Colosseum, Rome, Italy, is a massive amphitheater built between 70 and 72 CE during the reign of Emperor Vespasian, also known for hosting gladiator combats, animal hunts, and public spectacles. Eiffel Tower, Paris, France, is located on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France, designed by engineer Gustave Eiffel. It was constructed between 1887 and 1889 and has become one of the most famous landmarks in the world. The tower stands approximately 984 feet or 300 meters tall. The Palace of Versailles, France, is a former French royal residence and center of government. London Bridge, England, refers to the historic crossing over the River Thames in London, known for its rich history and various iterations throughout the centuries. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. Sagrada Familia, Barcelona, Spain. Extra information about Europe. Europe has 44 countries. It is known for its history, including ancient Greece and the Roman Empire. Europe is famous for its art, music, and architecture, home to artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Mozart. It has four seasons and a wide variety of landscapes, from snow mountain to sunny beaches. That's all for my presentation about the continent of Europe. I really enjoy learning about its culture, celebration, and how people from different countries come together to celebrate traditions. I hope you also learned something new and interesting about Europe today. Thank you for listening. Bye.